What's up YouTube? Parker here. Today, I'm going to be walking you through, step by step, how to launch an Ethereum trading bot that I've been using to generate some steady passive income. This bot is basically like having your own trading powerhouse. It runs off of live blockchain data and was trained in an AI machine learning environment to mimic the moves of savvy crypto whales by automatically placing buy and sell orders on decentralized exchanges, leveraging price action and slippage differences to lock in on short-term profit. It even works great with volatile price action or sideways markets. If this sounds complicated, don't worry. It's really not, and you don't need any coding experience to get this deployed. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and that you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Other Web3 wallet support will be added in the near future, but for now, MetaMask is just what I'm using. Now head over to CodePen. CodePen is an easy way to deploy front-end JavaScript and HTML without actually hosting your own website or application. Once you're on CodePen, click Start Coding on the left. I personally adjust the layout a bit to make the bot interface easier to work with. This is the bot's entire source code. It's fully set up and ready to trade. You don't need to change anything. I provided the links for everything in the description below. Copy this code and paste it into the HTML section on CodePen. Once the bot's loaded, click Connect. MetaMask should pop up. Just click Connect. Now you can see the bot's full interface. The estimated daily profit will fluctuate a bit, but overall it stays fairly stable. Crypto volatility is what makes using this bot profitable. So under the Strategy tab, you can see 3 trading modes. Cross-DEX arbitrage. My personal go-to will buy on one DEX and it'll instantly sell on another DEX for quick scalp profits. Swing trading, which is great for holding tokens longer term and selling at future price levels. And grid trading. This will set buy and sell orders at fixed intervals to take advantage of market swings. If you're new to trading, I recommend starting off with cross-DEX arbitrage because it's generally more consistent and I've had great results with it. Next, we'll set the risk level. I go with balanced almost every time because it's a safe option and it delivers solid yields. Next, let's fund our bot with some Ethereum. The absolute minimum the bot requires to function is 0.2 ETH, but I recommend using at least 0.5 ETH or more for substantial yields. I personally have had the best results using anywhere between 0.5 and 1 ETH. So just enter the amount of ETH you want to fund your bot with. Click Initialize Trading Bot, then just approve the transaction by clicking Confirm. Alright, the transaction confirmed, meaning the bot should now already be trading. Yep, we can see the live trade execution log showing every trade the bot enters along with the profit each trade makes in real time. We'll let it run for a few hours and check back. Alright guys, it's been about 6 hours and as you can see the bot has already locked in about 0.4 ETH in profits. Absolutely insane yields. I've had some days where the bot made a full Ethereum or more. To close out this session, we'll click Withdraw. This will stop the bot from performing any more trades and will return the assets to your original MetaMask wallet address. A small 1% service fee will be applied to help towards future bot updates. Okay, transaction confirmed. Let's check our MetaMask now. Nice, the profit's now in my wallet. Feel free to try this bot yourself, and if you have any questions or want to share feedback, you can always reach out to me on Telegram. Guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and share your profits in the comments below. Peace.